Hi guys, welcome to Simple Forex Trader, and today we are looking at the charts on the alerts on the Swiss franc, sorry, USDCHF, which is the dollars against the Swiss francs, and looking at the chart right now, we've got an alert on the 15-minute charts. So looking at the 15-minute charts, so we're just showing you what's going to happen next week, and this is probably looking at Monday or to Wednesday trading session next week. So we're looking at these charts and look like it is definitely a nicely set up of 1, 2, 3 trade here, as you can see. So I already show you here that we're looking at this low here, and looks like it's retracing back towards up towards there, going back towards the 200. It just touched that there. So but we've got a setup already now. Look, let me just clear this yep, automatic drawing. So we can see a 1, 2, 3 set up here, and we're going to use a Wavecalc calculator here to give us the entry and the exit as expected. So we've got a new low on a Friday here, and then we've got a high. Let me change that to maybe a bit more lighter for you, a bit more brighter. That's better. Not enough. Sorry, it's going to change to nice looking brighter. Okay, there we go. So we've got a nice new low, and we've got a new high up here during that Friday session trade, and then we got a retracement down to here, which is almost touched the number 1 point here at the new low. It didn't actually quite touched it, so we've got a 1, 2, 3 set up as expected. So once we got 1, 2, 3 set up, you can see it's already moving way up high here past the previous high here in this area here. So we've got a nice one here, a high, and then retracement down to here, almost hit the previous new low here. So and then just market retrace back up towards the 200 here, moving average. So what we can do now, once we've got that pattern set up, we just plot a 1, 2, 3 using this wave calculator here in the red box, and we plot the lowest point, which is a 1 here. Use that as a 1 point, where the lowest point is at 0.8886. And the highest point for the day is up here at 0.8817. The market retraced here during the London session at the third point, which is here. It didn't actually quite hit the previous low here, the new low. So the third point here is 0.8887, just 0.01 pips above that previous low. And bingo, we've got ourselves a nice setup here of the trade. So we've got a nice entry in this area here. So if you enter on a Friday and you're holding over the weekend, that's good. Let me change that to blue. There you go, that's a nice color here. So you've got to end the trade here anywhere between this area here, 79% at 0.8892, and then you've got you can enter up here at 62% at 0.8898, or 50% retracement, or even up at 38% retracement here at 0.8905, which is here. It retraced back down a bit to the second target here, entry target, and then it just went up now towards the first target here of 0.8936. It didn't actually quite make it there yet, but that's where we're going to predict where it's going to go. First target, second target here is about 55 pips, 0.8941, and then the third target we're looking at getting there at 63 pips at 0.8948. So as you can see, that's where we're heading at here next week for the highlight for the USD Japanese Swiss francs. Let me zoom out a bit so you can see further there. There's 6 target, actually 7 target. You can actually looking forward to exit your trade if you need to. The 7 target here, let me show you. So if you enter here at the retracement in this area here, 50% retracement, you got your third target. To be conservative, if you want to be aggressive, you go to your fourth target here at about 62.2 pips, 8961, the fourth target, or the fifth there at 69 pips at 89.8967, or you go to the fifth, the sixth here at 83.4 pips, profit of 80.8979, or you can go for the seventh exit target here of 100 pips at 89 0.99 just before you got the resistance area here, going back to here, looking at 0.90154. So that's where it's gonna head up towards there before it's made some sort of retracement down and continue either back down here, or continue up towards the previous resistance up here at 0.9075. So, but to be conservative, I always go for the third target. The first three target here is perfectly nice to exit your trade, looking at about 50 pip profits there, just over 50 pips. If you want to continue, you can go to the seventh target here, which is about 100 pips in terms of your profit target. If you enter here at a retracement in this area, as you can see, it's already has touched that moving average here, and it's just retracing back a bit. So it could be a good time to re-enter the trade. So how do you use the wave calculator to give you the exit and the entry? All you need to do is use 1, 2, 3 to plot that. So let me just draw this again. Sorry, I forgot to draw where the entry will be. I'll put a nice box there so you can see a lot clearer. Yeah, so that blue box is where you can exit your trade. Where's your stop loss? You said you're right. Stop loss is down here, as you can see. That didn't actually quite hit our stop losses when we entered the trade. It continued further up as expected towards our third profit, third exit target, third to the seventh exit target, all the way up from here to here in this area. So as soon as you enter in this area here, the small blue box here, the fourth retracement area, and you will automatically using Wavecalc to plot the 1, 2, 3 or the exit target for us. Let's do that again now. So I'm going to clear the this line, and I'm going to put in the blue box here, the red box, and this is where I'm going to use the wave calculator to indicate where we can exit and enter. So we've got a low here, new low of the day, and then we've got a new high of the day. Let me zoom in so you can see a lot better, and just do that again. Got a one at the new low, so we found a new low of the day and a high of the day here. And then we get a retracement here, which is not quite past the new low. Bingo! So you got yourself a 3 or 4 entry target in this area here. This is the 4 entry target. As you can see, you got retracement of 79%, 62%, 50%, and 38% respectively. You can enter the trade in any of those boxes here in those 4 targets, and you also place your stop loss down here with the blue box blue box here that I actually place for you. So if you enter in the first here, you can the first retracement here or the second. Normally I enter about around the first, the second, or the third. From the first to the third here, the 50% area is very conservative here to enter your trade. Let's say you enter the 50% retracement, which is here. Your exit will be your exit target. You will go for we're going for the third exit target, which is here at about just under 50 pips. Your first exit target is 35 pips. Second is 40 pips. The third is just under 50 pips here, and it's the third one there, 0.8948. In terms of where the exit target will be. Let me zoom out a bit. If you want to continue, you can go further towards your 6th or 7th target here, which is the 7th here, is just over 100 pips. Okay, so that's how you plot in the wave 1, 2, 3 wave calculator to use to find your exit target and your entry, or else you just go blind without using the, the wave calculator. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's highlight. We'll see you back next time, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.